Hello, everyone! Today we're going to explore how to use the editing toolbar in the recently updated AutoMeasure Blueprint platform. Upon completing a takeoff, you'll notice the Edit Takeoff button on the left. However, even without enabling this, you can still utilize several editing tools located in the toolbar on the right. Let's go through these one by one. First, we have the Text Detection tool. This feature allows you to detect and copy any text within the takeoff, which you can then paste wherever needed. Next, there's the Pan tool. This is useful for navigating or moving around the page or sheet you're viewing. Following this, we have the Dimension tool. This feature helps you create measurements on the sheet according to the available scale. Then there's the Highlight tool. This allows you to create a rectangular highlight bar, which is handy for adding internal notes, flagging items, or guiding team members to a specific review. You also have the option to add notes, create feedback, or ask questions to your team members. Additionally, you'll find a keyboard shortcut for each editing tool available in the system. Finally, there's the Edit History tool. This allows you to see every instance where the takeoff has been edited and at what time. So there you have it. A quick rundown of how to use the editing toolbar even when the Edit Takeoff option is disabled. We hope this has been helpful. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Thank you.